Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, we have a function. We have to find out all its roots. So all its zeros we can say. So first of all, we have to find out the positive real zeros. So for the positive real zeros, I have to first find out the number of sign change by the die-cut method. Let's see how many sign changes will come with me. So it's 1. Again, negative to positive, again it's 1, then positive to positive 0. So there are 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So 2 and 0, there are 2 0 positive real zeros or positive real roots. Real roots. Now I'll have to find out the negative real roots. So first I'll take the negative x, so which is minus x to the power 3 minus x to the power square. Wherever we have x, I have to replace it with negative x plus 4. So dear students, now I have to open the brackets while taking the 3 power, which is the odd number. So odd number will retain the sign. It will not change the sign. So it's negative x to the power 3, and it's minus x to the power 2 will become positive because the power is even. So negative times positive is negative. So the outside minus sign will make it negative. Plus times minus is minus. 2x will come, and plus 4 will come on some place. Now I will check how many sign change. The same method which I did with the first one to find out the positive real roots. 0 sign changes, and again 0 sign changes, 1. So there is 1 negative real root. I cannot subtract 2 from it because it's less than 2, so will come negative sign. So I don't want that. You cannot do it. Now I can make the table to find out the imaginary real roots. So for making the table, I'll make the table here. I'll just write the signs here. Okay, positive real roots, negative real roots, and imaginary roots, and a total. Is from the highest power, that's it's 3, so total roots will be 3. Positive real roots, positive 2, negative is 1. So 2 will come with the negative 1 first, 1 with the negative root, and then 0 will come with 1. The possible combination, positive is 0 and negative is also 1. Now to find out imaginary, 2 plus 1 is 3. Total we have 3, so we cannot have any imaginary root here. And then 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 2 will come 3. So we have 2 imaginary roots here in this combination. So let's try by synthetic substitution method to find out the number of roots, the real roots or imaginary roots. So let's solve it by the synthetic substitution method. So I'm taking the numbers, that is 1 with x to the power 3, then negative 1, then plus 2 or positive 2, then 4. So synthetic substitution is, I'll take start from negative 1. Let's see if I can get 0. So then that is my root. If I did not get the 0, then I have to try positive 1 then. First number will come without any change. It's 0. 1, sorry, it's 1. So it's not 0, it's 1. I have to go back. It's 1. And 1 time negative 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. And 2 plus 2 is 4. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. So it means negative 1 is the first factor. So the negative real root is already with us now. X equal to negative 1 is the first answer with us now. To find out the other two solutions, I will take these numbers with the one power less. It's x to the power 3, so I will start with the x to the power 2. X power 2 negative 2x plus 4. Let me make it equal to 0. As we cannot factorize it because the numbers are not suitable for the factorization, so I have to solve it by the quadratic formula. A equal 1, B equal negative 2, C equal 4. I'll use the quadratic formula, which is minus B. X equal minus B plus minus under root B square minus 4AC over 2A. Over 2A I'll replace the values from the question. So negative B, let me change the color. Negative B, so negative times negative 2, positive negative sign, B square, negative 2 square, minus 4A is 1, C is 4, over 2A. So I'll draw a line from all these numbers under 2A. 2 times A is 2 times 1, 2A. Simplify it further. Let me check. So minus times minus is plus 2. Negative positive sign will come. 4 will come, negative 2 square is 4, and negative 16. 4 negative 16 will come negative 12. Inside the square root, we will have negative 12. So let me make the square root here. Okay, inside the square root we have negative 12, and down we have 2. So I'll write here 2 times 1 is 2. Now the square root of negative number will come with the imaginary number, so it's I. So 2 plus minus under root 12 is, if you take the square root by the calculator, you will get 2I under root 3 over 2. Let me cancel this 2 with the numbers in the place of denominator. So these two numbers will be cancelled. So it will come now 1 plus minus under root 3. It's I. Okay, so that's the two answers we obtained at the end, which are the imaginary numbers. The two imaginary number. So we have three final solutions, which number 1 and is 2 and 3. One with a positive I, 1 plus I under root 3, and 1 minus I under root 3. So which one is the true? The second one is true. You can see negative real solution, and then two imaginary solution. The first one, the predicted answer is not true. So that's the end of the question. If you like my video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe my channel.